S&P, Nasdaq and Dow, after a good, stronger bullish move yesterday, today appears to have lost the steam, and we have seen all the three indices trading either sideways or with the modest bearish bias. What to expect now from these three indices with the US session, where we should enter, how to profit, where to buy, where to sell. Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis in order to find out and arrive at a point where you can take a trade, whether be it on the buy side or sell side. And this is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates and detailed analysis. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, in the end Dow. Now see, look at S&P here. First of all, a wall here at 587075, which needs to be taken off. And if and only if you see S&P trading above 587075, you can say that the bulls will be active here. Else, I do not see it trading bullish. Next is on the downside. Now the 20 period moving average is the support. It needs to break this, and definitely this is just on the 1 hour chart. For on the 4 hour charts, the 20 period is definitely far below, so possibility of a down move exists strong. The moving averages are bullish, stochastic rising, while the MACD has crossed over for a sell, looking downwards here, and the RSI has dropped as well. On the 2 hour charts, if you look at the 2 hour charts, see reversal sign after good bullish move, couple of bearish candle retracement, and see the preceding candle is a swing candle, lower highs, lower lows. So once it stays below 5855, you can look forward to a move towards 5844, and then below which you can say more bearishness will, where I'll be looking forward to 5820, 5800 levels. Though looking at the stance, it is difficult that it's such a strong move we will see. Now look at the formation. Every time it tries to move towards 20 period, which is right now sitting at around 5844 levels. Possibility is there that it can keep moving towards there. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has just crossed over, trading with slight divergence. It appears that we may see bearish move here for the next few candles. RSI is staying overbought and trying to come out of the overbought zone. Look at the 3 hour charts. The observation on the 3 hour charts is more or less same. Double top trying to drop, higher lows. We have to wait for it to drop below 5844, 5854, below which you can expect 5844 levels. And once it drops below 5844, the next target is towards 5835. Below 5835, 5820, 5800 levels can also be seen here. But looking at the move, it appears it is going to be difficult for it to deliver such a stronger drop. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI overbought, trying to come out of it. And on the 4 hour charts, preceding candle, a candle of indecision, current one delivering lower highs, trying to move downwards. This can be a bigger bearish candle, at least can keep moving towards 5844, or in fact 5820 are also possible. Stochastic dropping sharp. Indicators are trying to cool down after a stronger rise. Coming to now, see, on the daily charts, one thing is clear that now the bands have expanded. The candle is outside Bollinger Bands, and it is going to be difficult for it to sustain now a move outside Bollinger Bands. Yes, already we have seen already a very stronger run here, and now in fact it has breached past the highs of this channel, which is a breakout here. It may try to fall back within the channel. A fall back within the channel means it may try to come back and trade below 5820, 5800 levels. Possibility exists strong. Stochastic overbought here, MACD rising, RSI rising here. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 5854 and buy it. See, you can buy it 587270 levels, but I think it is a bit riskier. So yes, you can buy it 5870 itself, 7072 itself. Expect 5885 and 5900 as the next target. Beyond 5900, 5904 is sky the limit for the near future. We are looking forward to 6000 levels very soon, but such a stronger move I still am skeptical of today, at least. On the downside, sell it 5854, expect 5844, and if it breaks below 584445 levels, stay short for 5835, 5820, 5800 levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Tech 100, that is Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq 100, flat top, good resistance here at 2460 levels, and yes, anyways 2500 is definitely there, the next one. Now see what is happening. A bigger bearish candle and bigger bullish candle, then a eraser. It has erased all the gains from this candle. Now it is staying in the zone, it is staying in the box. Very, very important for the price to trade below 2350, which is definitely a little far below level. So even if you now see it trading below 2380, take a selling entry, expect 2340, 330 levels to be taken, and then 2300. Any point of time, take 100 trading below 2300 certainly should be a bearish indication. Look at the move here, flat top, drop, retracement, and if it drops below now 2380, certainly we can say more bearishness is going to be there. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI has dropped here, coming to 2. If you look at the 2 hour charts, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, rise, and now it is again trying to take the support from the 20 period. For once, it can in fact try to move towards 2380, 2360, which is definitely a good support here for the day. Stochastic has dropped, trying to bounce back. MACD has just crossed over. This is a bearish sign, and this can lead to slight price drop. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to the 3 on the 3 hour charts. See the formation. First of all, after the drop, a retracement, a reversal sign is confirmed, and then first bearish candle, second swing candle, lower highs are seen in this candle, and now trying to take a dip again. Possibly it can move towards 2350, 330 zone, which should be a greater support, and below 2300 is where more bearishness should follow towards 2200 levels. First of all, whether it is going to move towards 2300 or not, that should be seen. And for this, it has a greater hurdle at 2380, 360 levels here. Stochastic dropped here. MACD willing to cross over for sell. RSI flat at top. And on the 4 hour chart, the observation is more or less same. Reversal sign, lower highs. Previous candle a swing candle. Current candle is also going to be a bearish candle. It appears so. Stochastic dropping sharp, MACD is in green, RSI overbought, near to top. Coming to daily. Now, before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals teller on Telegram. Write an email, connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals, global presence, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads. Now look at the daily charts. This is how it has been trading. Higher highs, higher lows. Where are the lows for this? Towards 2200 levels. And see, it is definitely outside Bollinger Bands, and it may not try to stress the bands further. Now see, red candle already started on a slight bullish note. It can in fact show a move. There could be a swing possibility where it can try to hit the highs close to 2480, 500 levels, and that is the level at which you can also initiate a selling entry and expect it to keep moving down. Now I expect it to get first support at around 2380, 360, and then 330 levels should up. So only buying entry now for Nasdaq 100 is above 2480 levels, or I will say 2500 levels is the ideal buying level. Else, as long as it stays below 2500, we can expect it to drop more. And thus, if you see it at around 2480, 460, you can initiate a selling entry and expect it to keep moving towards 2380, 350, and in fact 300 levels. While if it fails to stay bullish, you can sell now at 2410 levels, expect 2380, 2350, 330, and then 2300. Any drop below 2300 is definitely a confirmation of the bears out here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now, USAT is one bull which appears to be difficult to tame. Look at the formation, rise, retracement, and now again taking the support from the 20 period. I hope it does not deliver a similar size of move, taking the prices towards 43,300 and higher levels. If you look at the recent movement, this is how it has been trading, and every time it's just hitting the 20 period, trying to bounce back. So it is very, very important now on the hourly charts for USAT to trade below 43,050, 43,000 levels, which will confirm the next move towards 42,900 and 42,800 levels. The stochastic has dropped, MACD has crossed over for sell, and the RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. While on the 2 hour charts, remember one thing, see lower highs are seen, and preceding candle, a red candle, the current candle has to move towards 43,000, and thus for it to achieve 43,000 or 42,900 levels, it has to deliver a wick here, and that is what it has done. And thus now once you see it trading below, in fact 43,080, you can take a selling entry, expect 43,050, 43,000, and then 42,900, 920 levels can be seen here as the next target. 43,000 is going to be one critical support at least. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence. This can lead to bearishness. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. Even if you see it repeating the pattern here, it can keep moving towards 42,900 at least. Let's see if today is the day. Stochastic has dropped. MACD This is the third attempt to crossover, and this crossover can lead to a fall here. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, coming to the 4 hour. The observation is same. See a reversal sign, first bearish candle, and then the next one should appear very soon here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, and RSI overbought. Coming to daily, look at daily charts. Higher highs are seen. It is outside bullinger bands. It could try to erase some of the gains. And yes, even if it tries to deliver higher lows here of this channel, we can see a move towards 41,800. See if it can rise strong, it can fall sharp as well. Let's see which direction it takes today. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought, MACD divergent, and bullish RSI overbought as well. So looking at this buying entry, at least I will now recommend at 43,180, while a selling entry at 43,080. Below 43,080, ideally 43,050 and 43,000 are two supports which it needs to break. Below 43,000, we can see 42,900, 920 at the first target, 42,800, 840 at the next target. Below this, extreme fall towards 42,500 can be seen here. While on the upside, buy at 43,180 levels, expect 43,240, 250 as the first target zone. If it breaks this, I think we are looking forward to 43,400, 43,500 levels very soon. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.